A very good morning, dear students. I welcome you to the English lecture, and today we will be discussing a beautiful poem that is Palkin Bearers, written by Sarojini Naidu. I am sure you have heard of Sarojini Naidu. Of course, you must. She is called the Nightingale of India and is known for various works which are very melodious. At the same time, her works are also famous for arising the patriotic feeling. So she was a diverse writer, we can say, and this particular poem that we are going to discuss now is filled with images, and you will be amazed to the various comparisons she has made of a bride and things that we have never imagined while thinking of a bride. Very beautifully she has depicted the feelings of a bride and also the feelings of the palkin bearers. So this is a very melodious poem and it is as good as a song. So first let's sing it and then let's understand what does this poem exactly convey. So let's get started.
Like I said that this poem is very melodious and it is as good as a song. So let's hear how we are going to sing it. Lightly, oh lightly we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Gaily, oh gaily we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. We are going to discuss this beautiful poem Palkin Bearers, written by Sarojini Naidu. Lightly, oh lightly we bear her along. So in these lines, these bearers, these four people whom you can see that are carrying the palkin, they are saying that they are walking very lightly. They don't feel that they are carrying a burden. They are quite comfortable, and her is being referred to the bride sitting inside. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. So when these people are walking, there are up and down movements, and this palkin is shaking also. So they are comparing the movement of this palkin and the bride sitting inside with the movement of a flower that flutters, that moves left to right because of the wind, that is shaking because of the wind. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. So you must have noticed that sometimes when the water is just flowing through the river or a stream, then bubbles are being created. Those bubbles are very attractive and light. And similarly, you must have noticed at times the movement of a bird above a water surface. They simply glide away above it so smoothly and without touching it. So similarly, they are comparing this bride to the smooth movement of the bird and the light bubbles. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. So now the bride is being compared to the smile and the happiness that you think of in a dream. Now when a bride is getting married and she's moving to her husband's house, her mind is full of several thoughts. She's excited about her new life, about a new beginning. So she has a smile, and that beautiful smile is itself compared to the bride here. Gaily, oh gaily we glide and we sing. So these palkin bearers, they are very happy and very cheerful. They are singing the song, they are happy about the marriage, and they are walking. They are carrying this bride, and the bride is just moving so smoothly. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. So you must have seen your mother wear necklaces made up of pearls or pendants made of pearls, and the pearls look so attractive and they are so lightweighted. So similarly, the beauty of the pearl is being compared to this bride out here. How everyone is just attracted to her appearance. Similarly, when we wear pearls, they catch attention, they attract everyone's attention, and they are very appealing. softly, oh softly we bear her along. So out here what is happening, the people, they are just having a very nice smooth journey for this bride, and they are walking very very softly. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. So these people are all singing happy songs. You must have seen during the marriage several traditional songs are being sung on various occasions, and even when the palkin is being taken, so what happens, these people out of happiness, they are singing the song, and they are comparing this bride sitting inside into the twinkling star that is so bright, so attractive, and the fresh dew. Because just as this lady, this bride is going to start a new journey of her life, similarly what is going to happen, when we see the dew, we find it is very very fresh, it is very very attractive. So similarly she has a fresh attractive life in front of her. She springs like a beam on the brow of a tide. So you must have heard about the tides, that is when the water rises up, and sometimes we have high tides, sometimes we have low tides because of the gravitational pull of the moon. So the topmost portion of the water, when it rises in the form of a tide, that is being compared to the brow. And out here the poet is trying to convey the different feelings the bride is having, the turmoil going inside her mind. She's excited, she fears of what kind of things are going to happen next. She's happy also. So all these feelings, mixed kinds of feelings which this bride is happening, the poetess is showing it very beautifully by comparing it with the smile of a dream, with a tide which shows several thoughts going inside her mind. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride, and when this bride is thinking so many things about her life, she also thinks about her parents and all the moments she has spent with them, and then her eyes is filled with tears. So all those things that our bride is experiencing, so these comparisons have been made accordingly, and the bride is being compared to the tear itself. Lightly, oh lightly we glide and we sing. Again this palkin bearers, they are saying that it is very very convenient for them to carry this bride. They don't feel as if some burden has been put on their shoulders. They are very happy to do it, and very smoothly the journey is being carried out by them. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. And just as we feel proud to wear a pearl, and that it is definitely something which is very attractive, so is the case when they carry this particular bride. She is just like a pearl to them. I hope you enjoyed this particular poetry, and you must have seen how beautifully Sarojini Naidu has portrayed the different moods of the bride herself, which she is experiencing, the different thoughts she has in her mind, at the same time how or what thoughts palkin bearers have when they are carrying her. Just in case you have any doubts, feel free to discuss in the online classes. Till then, bye bye. God bless you, dear students.